Brand new high country, all blacked out, 30x16s with the new 38 1650 or 38 1550 30s. We are back for SEMA vlog. We're living the dream. We're in Vegas, we're in the desert. Come check us out in the South Falls. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in 3 or 4 days, man. I'm losing my mind.
Appreciate it. Give me one. Give me one.
The all polished Blvd. My favorite truck of the show. 100K on YouTube. That's right. We're gonna ride the strip. Thatwide bow tie. Come on, thatwide tonight. I dropped 30 on this room. Starting off day 3, trying to get this video done for y'all. Let's upload now. Hopefully it'll be done before we leave. I need some energy. Normally this is about the time where you're out of town for a couple of days and you're like, oh man, I'm ready to go home. Most of us have been here for about 3 days now, or this is our like 3rd and a half day, you could say, I guess. 3rd full day that we're starting. I mean, we've been non-stop, not complaining at all. Those guys definitely have been working like crazy from 4, 5, 6 in the morning all the way past, like, I mean, we didn't get back home last night till 2 in the morning. And then the time change keeps you asleep until 4 or 5 in the morning. So I mean, we're running off 3 hours of sleep, full days. Lewis from Miami did like 33,000 steps yesterday. I mean, we're doing more steps than you do in a week, and it's only day 3 of like 7 or 8. So this is that time where you really gotta lock in, right? I'm not trying to show you my junk. I ripped these pants last night too. RIP to the tan cargos. Back's doing all right. It's a little sore, like definitely sore. I haven't like been overdoing it by no means, but just so much walking and so much movement is definitely. See, that hurts just a touch. Gotta pace ourselves. Pacing ourselves. Like, no, I'm not. Especially if I'm daily vlogging like that, nobody's watching every video that knows me personally, you know? Who are those guys?
I don't know what to say.
So, day 2, currently 9 o'clock. Show opens in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So, I was up till 2 last night. Woke up about 5:36. Hopefully you got a little bit more sleep than that.
No.
So,
no.
I think we're still, for those of you that watched the video yesterday, energy was still like up. I think we were still good on energy, but.
Oh, 100%. We're still there. Give it another 2 days and it's gonna die down a little bit.
The first 2 or 3 days of the show is always the worst because the setup days, you're here from like 6 till 2 in the morning. You know what I mean? Those are the longest hour days. Now, once the show's over today, 5 or 6 o'clock, peace, brother. I'm
gone.
Sayonara, I'm gone.
Yeah. But shower, eat some food, hit the sack, bro. We're going to bed.
Yeah.
It's done.
I'm posting.
Ooh, it's loading.
I'm posting today's vlog, day number 2, right now as we speak. Oh, I gotta pick a title. I gotta pick a title. I got 4 minutes to pick a title before 9 o'clock.
Ooh.
We're gonna figure out a title and then I'm gonna post it. But y'all are seeing this. I'm posting it right now. Is my goal. Had to come check in with my boy Sean, get the vibes for the day.
Exactly, man. Energy's always high. Vibes are always high.
This is day 3. I woke up this morning and I was not in the mood for it. I'm like, man, you know, got me a little Starbucks. Hey, I got some Chick-fil-A on the way, bro.
Of course you did.
Somebody's bringing me Chick-fil-A to the show.
I'm not gonna comment on that.
Yeah, if that actually happens.
Well, you know what happened last time that happened?
No.
He's like, pause.
No girls involved.
No,
I promise. But this guy's cool. He's got a truck. He's got KG1s on it. We'll film something on Instagram. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram,
check him out.
YouTube.
Follow
check
him
us
out.
out.
It's all love, dog.
Sean will be here all day. We'll come back tomorrow and check it with Sean.
Big facts, bro. It's all love.
Love you.
Energy's high. Vibes are high. Helicopter.
Saying hi. Love you. Love this guy. Bro, how you feeling today?
Wide open.
You enjoyed yourself?
Love it.
Hadn't even seen the truck yet.
Day 1 SEMA, haven't seen the truck. I'm excited.
Hell yeah.
It's time to get fired up.
I'm trying to throw everybody in the daily videos. So yeah. My guy's been working.
About to go back to work now.
Let's get it.
Gotta keep America shining.
Now we need one of those.
That's the goal. Never stop.
Look at the lighting over here right now. Look at this.
Not bad.
I was talking so much to you earlier about the chain, but I do actually like the chain though.
I gotta go fix Andy's mistakes.
Whitley diesel performance. We'll get him back in the video. If not today, at some point we'll go talk some shit about the truck outside. But I'm trying to throw as many people in the videos as I can today. So I like the chain though. I'm a fan. That looks good. Hey. You know that guy?
You know
either.
Yeah. Yeah.
Congratulations. I didn't ever think I'd get that lucky in my life. Look, we're throwing him in the vlog today. Q done showed up with the care package of the Chick-fil-A in the booth at SEMA. That's legendary. We're gonna go, I'm gonna have to go out there and take a look at this truck. He's actually got a pretty cool, it's Cummins on some vendors, some KG1s, so we'll have to make a trip outside. It may not be in this video, but at some point in another video, I'll either link up with you or while I'm walking around, I'll throw you in the video real quick. But in the daily vlog, gotta show love to Q. Come here. Amazing. Q's from Washington, right? Where you from?
Oh, you waited all that time?
From
what? For the Chick-fil-A? He got you squared away, huh? That's pretty good.
You know this guy? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I was about to say, ain't no way that what's going on.
Come on with it. I'm good. No. I can go back and forth.
No.
I'm the chief at it.
No.
I'm the chief at it. But you got side-by-side wheels?
Oh, yeah, we got all kinds of stuff. I was just showing love. Say what's up to the. You gonna be in the video? Hey. I like the energy. Seahawks. Hey man. Hey, I was a Russell Wilson fan back in the day. I'm a big NC State fan. So.
Okay, you good.
I got a little love for the Seahawks, but hey, love Q to death.
But you know, represent my man here, KG1. He runs them also.
Look.
Got you.
I'm just grateful to be able to do stuff like this, to be able to meet like interactions like this. You just can't make like that up, you know what I mean? So love Q to death. When you go watch the video, that one's for you. Said you've been filming. So, what's your name? Adam and Alan. Adam and Alan are from what part of Wisconsin? Appleton, Wisconsin. Appleton, Wisconsin. And if any of y'all are watching and you're close to Appleton, Wisconsin, or you're in Wisconsin, or at all, if you want to just find a new shop to go to, they do McGaughy's kits, FTS kits, they do anything. So I'm gonna try, if I can remember, I'll put the number in the bio. Send me a DM on Instagram or something. And somebody call the shop just to call them, because I want to see if it'll work. So I'll make sure their info is somewhere on the screen or in the description below. And this is for y'all. So when y'all go, it'll be the daily vlog day 3. Appreciate y'all will be in the video. So y'all go show some love, all right? Hey yo.
Do you have any interest in shooting on the finish line at Las Vegas Motor Speedway?
Hey. Aren't you supposed to caught in 4K? Caught in 4K?
4K.
Aren't you supposed to be in your booth? Crazy. This is what I came to see.
We did a good job or what? What do you think? A lot of steps to get here, but we made it. Good to see you. You guys were always supporting, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, we're in Miami. We're in Miami. We're from Miami. Of course, we invented gold. Exactly. We just don't got a chain.
Bro, look at this fucking guy right here. Bro, look at this fucking guy right here. Your little brother copies your fit. Now, we talked about this yesterday, so I can't even say nothing. I told him to wear these. He was like, man, I'm gonna change. I'm like, nah, we gotta do it. They finally got the 6x6s out here. We're gonna come do a walk around of these tomorrow, so I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. Both of them got KG1s on it though, that's fire. A little sneak peek, so y'all gotta come back tomorrow and check that out. We're gonna come do a walk around of the booth in the morning. It's too much heat over here.
Here we go.
Thank you, kind sir. So, my plans for what the daily videos were gonna be kind of switched a little bit. I was gonna do the 6x6s today, but the lighting was terrible, so y'all get a 6x6 walk around tomorrow. We're gonna do a quick walk around of the booth. Oh, you already turned the screens off. Y'all have seen the screens and the little cinematics. It's one of my favorite trucks of the show. Guys at Enthusiast, Spencer and David, have this brand new High Country, all blacked out, 30x16s with the new 38x1550 or 38x1550 30s. Absolutely legendary tire. Fury's the first person in the world to make a 38 for a 30. I like it. I like the way it looks. Very controversial. Some people think it's not enough sidewall. Some people think it's perfect. You know what I mean? You got your own opinions. You guys know, if you've been a fan of the channel for a while, FTS and McGaughy's, I've always been a fan. The all chrome FTS is clean as shit. You can't go wrong with black and chrome together. 30x16s, 2 to 3 inch wheel spacers, 38s on the 40s, or 38s on the Furies. We got the coilovers in the back, chrome drive shaft, chrome axles, chrome everything. Reservoir shot, polished exhaust in the back. It's a clean ass truck. If it's gonna be in a booth at SEMA inside, it's gonna be clean. You know what I mean? And then we've got we got a whole bunch of wheels in the booth. Y'all can, if you're coming by the show, you can enter to win a little truck. We got some wheels over here. 30 by 14 or 30 by 16 buckler. We got some new stuff. Where'd they put it? I forget the name of the wheel, but this is like one of our newest cuts, which I actually really like.
It's the impeller.
Impeller. Like impale or impel?
Impale.
Impaler. I like that. Impaler 2414 or yeah, it's 2414. We got a bunch of nice cuts in the booth today. A couple dually wheels. This is something new. Maybe one or two of y'all will see some new old school style wheels. We got the front and the rear. What are these 18s? I don't even know. A couple of contender wheels, side by side wheels. Another 30. Got the king cap, which has got like the big cap to cover the lug nut holes. Luxury wheels, Super 10s, one of my favorites, like a super single dually front. You could do those with dually wheels or all the way around. Another set here, and then we've got some new ones too. I did some videos, I don't know if they'll end up on social media or not, but overland wheels and our new, what are they, bash ring? The new bash rings. These rings are removable. You could powder coat them, but it's not a bead lock. It's kind of like a mix between a bead lock and a simulated bead lock. You can remove the bash ring or the ring on it, powder coat it, and it makes it look like a bead lock wheel. And then we got a little Bronco over here with some bash rings on it as well. The anthracite looks really good. I really like that. You can't really see it. It's dark in here right now. Here, I'm gonna turn this on so I can see it. I need to get some B-roll of this for a thumbnail anyway, so we won't. Had to turn the lights on. Oh look, they polished they didn't polish. Yeah, they polished the inside of the wheels, and then the spacers look polished too. Polished aluminum spacers. That's wild. 3-inch spacers on the 30 by 16s. Freaking crazy. The all chrome FTS, chrome upper control arms, chrome spindles, chrome brakes, chrome tie rods, chrome CV axles. What do you mean? Look at here. I love that. This probably sitting about, this is definitely bigger than 12. It's probably about 15. Super clean. No trimming up front. Ride out, man. Absolutely fucking. This is one of my favorite trucks of the show. I don't know if would y'all rather have Gary, I'm gonna put a clip in here so y'all can see it. Gary's white High Country on the solid axle, or are you taking the chrome FTS? I need y'all to let me know in the comments.
It's a real thing.
Corey, you in a better mood now?
I've been in a good mood, don't assume.
Corey's in a great mood right now. It's been I don't know why. Today was rougher than other days, but that's the end of day 3 technically. Yeah, day 3 vlog. We're headed to dinner or something, I guess. I don't know. But
Oh, that was bad.
we're walking backwards.